Well, as part of the pub build, I need to cut those sleepers. So I bought myself a chainsaw. I bought this, a Titan electric chainsaw, TTL758CHN. I bought it from Screwfix, quite cheap. And now I'm going to try and put this together. I'm not going to lie, given my track record at DIY of hurting myself, a chainsaw is probably a terrible idea. But other than that, it's going to be manually cutting through sleepers and at funny angles and notching bits, and I just can't see how that's going to work. So I'm going to try and put this chainsaw together. I did go for the corded one. I could have got a petrol one, I could have got an electric one, I guess. But these were cheap. I mean, for the one job I want to do with it, this seemed like the thing to buy. Once I've got it though, I guess I might use it on other jobs. I mean, I've got to do the stuff by the pond. I am going to build myself like a Chinese, Japanese style tea house, the Japanese style tea house thing. So that, I guess I can cut logs and stuff for that. So anyway, let's see. So in the box, which is a strange shaped box actually, you get the main unit. This feels like the thing the chain goes round. A chain, and actually it's got a part number on it. So I might keep that actual bit because I'm guessing if I want to buy a repair or the chain goes blunt, that would be a good thing to get. Screwdriver, ratchet, and a set of instructions. Now, I read on the internet you need to get the chainsaw oil as well, that everybody always forgets to get chainsaw oil, so I've got that. So let's see how this goes together. Okay, so we have followed all of the instructions. Like I said, a chain 2 to 4 millimeters. That looks right direction. Got oil. So, first time firing it up. I think I'm more nervous about this. So, button at the back. Nothing. Haha, power. Here we go. Right, button at the back. Oh wow. I guess. Okay, that's now got oil on it, so that works. I guess tomorrow we'll try that on a sleeper. I think I'm more nervous about this than I was about the table saw. Maybe I should get some chainsaw gloves and stuff. Definitely goggles, definitely hearing. We'll do that tomorrow. But that's it. That's you know, I've never had a chainsaw, so I've managed to assemble the chainsaw. We'll try and cut some stuff with it tomorrow. Beautiful morning. Today is Coventry City in the playoffs to go up into the Premier League, so I'm only going to do a bit of this, then I'm going to go watch the football, and then I'll come back and do a bit more. So here's what we're doing today. I have moved all that rubble out of the way, slowly taking that up the dump, and what I'm going to do today is make my first cuts on the sleepers. So this first cut, I think I'm going to make the diagonal one here a short cut, because that way I can get the next row, it'll be the long cut screwed down. So I think short one in there, I'll do 2 long ones along there and along there, and I'll do the short cut into that corner, and again that way the full one goes on top. So we'll do that. Okay, so here we go. First ever cut with a chainsaw. Well, that was a bit of a disappointment. We watched the game. It was 0-0. I don't even think there was a good scoring opportunity, to be honest. But anyway, so we've come back to the house. We're gonna have a barbecue, and yeah, I don't think I'll do much more on the garden this afternoon. It is beautiful. I mean, just amazing summer afternoon. I've got next weekend. I've got evenings next week, so I think I'll do that. But this is where I got to. So I managed to cut that one, and I cut that one. So that, to me, looks pretty good. I mean, now they're in the space, that is going to work. Yes, I'm going to have these gaps to deal with. I'm going to have these gaps here to deal with. And that'll either be cement or I'll put gravel. I'm thinking gravel, because I quite like the idea of the drain. That is clearly the patio has stayed so much drier with this gap around here. So I think I'll put gravel, maybe leave like a brick like this. Maybe I'll do something like that. Some bricks where there's space, gravel the rest. I think that's probably the answer. Maybe repair like this piece. Yeah, but in general, I'm very happy with that. It's worked. You know, the tools have worked. I can see this coming together. This is going to be good.